Let's now see how you can create email templates that you can use for your email campaigns or sending out emails in general from Tobu. So you go to the email campaign section for that on the left hand side, and you go to email templates, and now you can create a new template. So let's say you put a name for the template. Let's say you call it job opportunity, and maybe you say the subject is an offer you can't refuse, and let's say you draft an email, and that's it actually. So now there are a few things to note. You can even add placeholders like percentage first name percentage or percentage last name, etc. So here I have added a percentage first name percentage. Now what this does is when you send out an email, Tobu replaces this placeholder with the actual first name of that candidate. And here, let's say there's a career page application link percentage. Now this is replaced with the apply button. And so candidates can simply click on the apply button and upload their resume to your Tobu database directly. So now that's it. All you need to do is set a name for the template, a subject, a body, and save the template, and you're done.